knew the fight wasn't over until the boys came home.
It was the same furnaces, just a...
At 2.7 million square feet, the Boeing Wichita complex was the largest aircraft production facility in the world.
Morning, Sergeant. Here's my clearance.
All right, shift starts now. Get to your station. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment.
7075 T6 confirmed. Logging serial 429.
Precise temperature control is critical here. After the 350-degree soak, we verify the T6 temper specifications with a Brunel hardness test.
The precision of these rivets is paramount, ensuring the Superfortress can reach unprecedented altitudes.
The assembly sequence is carefully orchestrated, from spar placement through rib installation to the final skin attachment.
Optimal aerodynamics demanded these complex compound curves, all secured with readily removable D-Zeus fasteners for easy maintenance.
Pitch angle deviation is 0.01.
Confirmed. Weight is exactly on the mark.
Serial number 3350-23 confirmed.
Verified against the manifest. Clear for prep area.
This pressurized forward fuselage was revolutionary, allowing the B-29 to cruise at...
All right, cycle the doors again. We need to check the alignment. Opening now.
Capable of supporting 70 tons, the B-29's main gear required unprecedented engineering.
The B-29's hydraulic system required meticulous assembly. Every connection was torqued and safety wired.
The meticulous craftsmanship and testing ensure reliable electrical systems critical for all aspects of aircraft operation.
The self-sealing feature, as this cutaway model shows, bullet...
Precision is paramount. Specialized jigs ensure perfect symmetry before the surfaces are tested for balance on knife edge stands.
Align that rib right there. Okay, hold it steady. Start the rivets on the next panel.
The assembly process moves quickly, from initial spar positioning, through rivet installation to final skin riveting.
This innovative remote control system allowed gunners to direct multiple turrets, a revolutionary advancement providing superior protection and survivability. Precision gauges are used to verify the headspace and timing, ensuring the weapon's devastating rate of fire is reliable.
Check the synchronization on the number 2 sight. We need perfect alignment before the test run.
Torments. Ensuring reliable oxygen delivery is paramount. The system provides crucial life support at altitudes where
Technicians pressure tested the compartments, verifying seal integrity. This revolutionary system
The B-29's climate control system was revolutionary, designed to maintain survivable temperatures even at 60 degrees below zero.
Intercom check, position 1 to position 2. Do you copy?
reading you 5 by 5.
Optical alignment complete.
Synchronize the gyros and prepare for the stabilization test.
Engaging autopilot link now.
The B-29's flight deck represented a monumental leap forward, a spacious and highly organized workplace for the 10-man crew.
Splits. The installation of the massive Wright R-350 demands absolute precision.
The system is pressurized with nitrogen while technicians inspect every connection for leaks. Fuel select.
Okay, back there, run the 20mm through its paces.
Affirmative, cycling the cannon now. Smooth traverse.
This pivotal assembly operation requires precise alignment of dozens of attachment points before the final securing of the structure. The horizontal stabilizer is positioned by cranes. Engineers verify the incidence angles, ensuring correct.
The massive vertical stabilizer, towering 27 feet, is carefully maneuvered into place. Once
the structural pins are secured, the retraction actuators are connected to the hydraulic systems for operational testing.
Now cycle the steering. Full left, then full right.
Steering mechanism responding correctly. Dampers look good.
Pull forward on the column. How's the elevator looking?
Full up, sir. Movement is smooth and within limits.
Actuators are mounted and wired.
Good. Now cycle them and verify synchronization across all sections.
Fuel pressure stabilizing at 50 psi. All connections dry. Roger that. Initiating cross-feed check now. Transferring from tank 1 to 2.
Hydraulic pumps active. Pressure stabilizing at 3000 psi.
Roger that. Monitoring gear sequence now.
Check the readings at station 4. 27 volts, steady.
Noted. Parameters are within tolerance.
Engine 3 checklist. Fuel flow.
Check. Ignition engaged.
Ground clear. She's catching.
Make sure this section is completely dry before masking.
Roger that. Moving to the tail section now.
The operational camouflage, olive drab on the upper surfaces and neutral gray below, transformed the bomber from factory finish to combat ready. The operational camouflage, olive drab on the upper surfaces and neutral gray below, transformed the bomber from factory finish to combat ready.
Ensure the alignment on the star and bar is exact, according to specifications.
Yes, sir. Verified and ready for final coat.
We need more blankets up here.
Coming through with the fasteners.
The systematic installation of crew positions creates the workplaces for the 11 men who will fly the B-29 in combat.
Emergency oxygen bottles secure and pressurized.
Confirmed. First aid kits in position.
Verified. Crash axe and fire extinguisher mounted and accessible. All right, cycling the release mechanisms now. Clear forward bay. Looks good on the aft shackles.
Hydraulic system check. Landing gear cycle initiated.
Gear is down and locked. Green indications across the board.
Roger that. Flaps and slats report nominal response.
This entry for the flight controls seems incomplete.
We tagged it for immediate review, sir.
Theodolite confirms alignment on east. Okay, the reading is 175. Adjusting now. Main gear reads 30,050.
Roger that. Calculating the moment now, 4,092.
Verified. The aircraft is balanced for safe flight.
Selecting crossfeed from tank 4 to engine 2. Stand by for flow.
Confirmed transfer initiating. Pressure steady at 50 psi.
Elevator full down, hold position.
Deflection confirmed at 25 degrees, rudder check left.
Roger that. Flaps extending smoothly to full. Gears down and locked. Green light confirmed. Radio check, radio check. How do you read me on frequency 30-5?
Loud and clear. Receiving stable tone.
Pressure differential reaching maximum. Cabin altitude stable at 8,000 feet.
Affirmative. System integrity confirmed. Passing control check now.
Chocks clear. Releasing brakes, advancing power. Checking steering response. Pressures look good, Captain.
All fluid levels are adequate and the propellers are secure. Confirmed. Checklist is complete. All right, let's sign it off.
Magnetos check, engine 3.
Left mag, slight drop. Right mag, good. Both checked. Set.
Flaps set for takeoff. 79 degrees.
Check. Engine temps look good.
Roger. Let's make history.
Airspeed alive, 40 knots. Checked. 80 knots. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up.
Affirmative, chase 90. Bomb bay doors cycled open and closed. Stable flight maintained throughout the profile.
The control response on final approach felt a bit heavy. Noted.
We saw some fluctuation in the manifold pressure on engine 3. The comprehensive flight test program thoroughly validated the aircraft, exploring the entire envelope and...
The primary objective is the ferry flight to the operational base. Stick to the assigned corridor.
What about the weather over the Rockies?
Should be clear, but watch for icing at altitude.
Final checks complete, Captain. Roger that. Set maximum power. Pilot to crew, we are beginning our bombing run.
Roger. Coming up on the IP now.
Gunners, scan the skies above.
We are finally within striking range. The objective is clear. Cripple their war industry. Godspeed, gentlemen.
Final approach. Steady, steady.
Holding altitude.
Bombs away.
Bombs away.
How are the engines holding up, Charlie?
Number 3 is running hot, Captain. Fuel calculations are tight.
That's 9 confirmed back.
And the damage over Shizuoka.
Significant structural damage to the factory complex, sir. We took hits from the southeast.
These crews worked around the clock, patching the wounds of the Superfortress to keep the pressure on the enemy homeland.
The cumulative effect is undeniable. Look at the aircraft factories, completely leveled.
And the mining campaign has affected...
Gentlemen, the targets are Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Weather permitting, we proceed with the primary objective. The Japanese have formally surrendered. It's over. We're finally going home.
The Superfortress found new life in the Cold War. From vital reconnaissance and weather mapping.
Preserved aircraft like the Enola Gay serve as tangible connections to the World War II era, ensuring future generations appreciate their significance.
Looking back, it was the culmination of everything we knew about aviation. It truly changed the world.
The coordination of millions of parts across 4 main assembly plants was unprecedented.
We built those planes and we did it with pride. We knew that every rivet, every wire was going towards winning that war.
Based in the Marianas, the B-29 Superfortress was the only aircraft capable of reaching the Japanese home islands.
The B-29's impact extended far beyond American operations. From Soviet copies to British technical interest, it pilots.
The B-29's technological innovations, like the pressurized fuselage and advanced fire control systems, laid the foundation.
The B-29 program demonstrated an industrial capacity
that reshaped the American economy.
Decades later, the B-29 remains a powerful, complex symbol of the war, preserved in our museums and memories. As seen here, the B-29 simply dwarfed earlier designs like the B-17. Its operational range of 6.
When initial bombers proved unable to reach the home islands, invasion became inevitable.
The B-29 highlighted the need for realistic requirements and robust systems engineering, lessons that remain vital for
Though many were mothballed, the Superfortress transitioned from wartime combat to the front lines of the Cold War, serving as the interim atomic bomber.
The sun truly sets on an era today. The Superfortress, a veteran of 2 wars, now...
She was a magnificent machine, really. We knew the risks every time we took off, but the Superfortress always brought us home.
We lost good men. The flak was thicker than anything I'd seen.
We built those planes with our hands.
The aircraft serves as a powerful teaching tool across multiple subjects, from engineering and technology to history and ethics.
From cinematic depictions in World War II aviation movies to detailed video game simulations and scale replicas, the Superfortress remains recognizable.
The enthusiasm you see here today ensures the B-29 story continues to be preserved and shared across generations.
When we look at the original calculations done only with slide rules and compare them to this FEA model,
from the deafening rattle of 1940s rivet guns to the silent precision of modern automated fastening, aircraft manufacturing has evolved dramatically.
While the urgency of war prioritized output over all else, the environmental cost, from chemical runoff to massive...
The destruction was absolute. We had never experienced anything like it.
That's why the Soviet involvement, the reverse engineering.
The commitment required to maintain these magnificent aircraft ensures that this vital piece of living history continues to soar.
The sound of those engines, it's something you never forget.
It's wonderful that this is being saved for everyone.
The strategic impact cannot be overstated. It fundamentally altered the calculus of power.
Many confuse the Superf with earlier models like the B-17.
But the B-29 was a technological leap.
The Superfortress holds a unique place. It wasn't just the most advanced bomber of the war.
It was an engineering marvel, truly. But when you look back, you have to grapple with what it was used for. It's a complicated legacy.
The B-29 teaches us that technological capability does not resolve the moral questions about its use.